What's going on, guys? It's your boy oceanlime here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Facebook link error. What you want to do is you want to go to the game center and you want to type in Facebook. After you've done that, you want to download Facebook Lite. You want to install that. After you install that, you want to go right back into your game. You push play, go back into your game. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. It's loaded up. What you want to do is you want to go to your settings bar and you want to go to your link thing. After you've done that, you're gonna load into your Facebook. You're gonna sign in, and it's going to say error, like it's saying that it's not able to do that, or etc. And then what you want to do is you want to, download the Facebook, launch the Facebook, log into the Facebook, and then after you've done that, you reload the game, re-sign in, and it should let you log in. And then I even tried this like about 5 minutes ago on my phone just to make sure it worked, and it 100% works. And you re-sign in through your Facebook and you should be able to log in. It shouldn't have any errors, and if you guys have any problems, comment below and I'll try to find another fix. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to comment below if you guys want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.